vlog. What's good? What's poppin'? Welcome to a new vlog. We are looking very bare, and we will be looking like this for the next couple of weeks. Okay, I have no nails, no lashes, no wig, no nothing, and I got wigs I can put on. I don't feel like putting on no wig. I'm just trying to get everything in order. We literally leave in like 2 weeks. When we leave, today is Saturday the 24th. Yeah, today is Saturday the 24th. The 13th. So is when we move. So we're looking at like 2 weeks. We're actually going shopping today. Like I'm actually gonna be looking for some furniture. I'm going to IKEA. I'm finna look at some couches. The goal is to get 2 mattresses. I need 2 mattresses, one full size mattress, and we need a king size mattress. That's like the goal for today. So hopefully I get a good deal on some mattresses. Hopefully we get a good deal on some mattresses. I'm gonna most likely get our beds and stuff from Wayfair, like our like bed frames and stuff, because that stuff can be ordered to the apartment. We're not trying to haul too much stuff up there. We're just trying to get everything up there. But also, I found a few people on Facebook Marketplace that is selling from their stockpile, like these couponers. So I want to buy from their stockpile, which I think will be very smart, so we can just have our essentials, like toilet paper, bleach, detergent, and all that crap. So yeah, that's kind of the move. Neriah does start school soon, which I also gotta get her ready for school. We got a lot going on, y'all. It's a lot going on. And not only is she going to school, like this is her first real day of school, so it's a very big deal. I already took the day off because it's that big of a deal, and I hope to have her room ready, like before she goes to school. So yeah, we are going back to feed the dog, and I'm going out to look at some furniture, some mattresses. I'm gonna go to Vero and Porcello today.
Why are we going back home?
We gotta feed the dog. Hey y'all, so we are at Maryland Fried Chicken. I don't know if y'all can hear me. It is so raggedy in here. I don't really like how it look. It look kind of dirty in the inside. I hope. Yeah, so we put in our order. I got fried shrimp and some greens. I like collard greens. I know it's weird, but yeah, that's kind of the vibe right now. And then we're gonna go to this consignment shop to see if we can find a mattress. Hey vlog. So it's a little bit later in the day. I think y'all seen me. I was at the chicken place. It was good, by the way, but the whole atmosphere was just like very rundown. It looked dirty. It looked a hot mess. So, but I mean, the food was good. So, I mean, it was good. I was in the Vero area. If you are familiar with this piece of shit of an area, we are in Fort Pierce Vero area. So I was in Vero. I was at Maryland Fried Chicken. And then we went to the little liquidation store, and what did we get? Oh, they had a whole bunch of like towels, rags. They had like bundles of rags for like only $2. So I got a whole bunch of bundles of rags. And I'm trying to get to this mattress place by 2:30. Supposedly they got some really, really good specials. So that's where I'm finna head. Anuka and Neriah is at home. They was like, I don't wanna go. I'm tired. I don't wanna go. I'm tired of shopping. Like, I fucking hate it. Like, I need a girlfriend. Like, I wish I had, like, my friend was down here that I can go shopping with, because these motherfuckers don't go shopping, and it just frustrates me. So that is where I'm getting ready to go. I guess I'll just check in with y'all when I get closer to the mattress shop. It is currently 12:22. They close in 2 hours, and I'm only like 35 minutes away. So I mean, I'm gonna make them for it, but still, yeah, that's kind of the mode. So see when I get there. Hey y'all, so I finally made it to the place. It's called Box Drop Mattress. Alright, so this is where I'm at. I'm trying to see what they're gonna offer me. I'm gonna see if I can record. I don't know. I don't know. Hey vlog. So it is probably like an hour later. I had left the shop and I ended up buying 2 beds from there. Our beds, well, we already have box springs personally, but our beds that I'm ordering don't require box springs, so I just got a full size mattress and a king size mattress for, I paid $632, which I think it's pretty good, and they are brand new mattresses. I think they are pretty good. They're pretty good mattresses. They're not like cheap mattresses, though. So yeah, so I got that out of the way. Now we was at home. I go home and then I don't know if something's wrong with the AC. I don't know if it's broken. But the house literally is 93 degrees, bro. Like the house, the AC's not fucking working. Fucking the house is getting hot as fuck. So we are literally like pretty much forced out the fucking house at this point to just drive around and get some fucking air and try to cool the fuck off and see what's going on. Hey vlog. What's good? It is the next day from my rant. Still very frustrated. Okay. We woke up this morning and the car battery was dead, which is like, oh my god. So we are now at Walmart. We are replacing the battery. Um, yeah. So still in this hotel, which we have to check out by tomorrow. We don't know the status of the fucking house and the heat in the fucking house. And honestly, we literally have 2 weeks. And at this point, if I have to fucking find some extended stay, weekly stay, that's what just might happen because I just cannot. I can't stay in the house. I can't. And I refuse to pay and I refuse to fucking do anything, to be very honest with you. Not doing a motherfucking thing. I'm ready to fucking go. I am so fucking ready to leave. I am so fucking ready to leave.
so far to go when you feel that heat, and we gonna ride the boogie, share that beat of love.
Hey vlog. I look a hot ass fucking mess. Do you hear me? So it is Friday. We are starting off a new vlog. I was shopping earlier and I would have loved to take y'all with me because I went to DD's and found a lot of good stuff around the house. But my phone was dead. So here we are. I'm obviously at Duffy's. I stay fucking going out to eat for no reason. But we're at Duffy's. It's Friday. A bitch wants to drink. I deserve it. Yeah, so I guess I'll show y'all what I got from DD's, but also next week Neriah has a dentist appointment and we're going to meet her teacher, which is sort of a big deal. Don't mind how I look. I know I look a hot ass mess. I told you I'm trying to prepare myself for my Vegas trip, so I'm kind of gonna be bumming it out until then. And plus, girl, I gotta get Neriah some school clothes. Hello, party of 3. Yes, yes. Thank you. Can we sit right here? Yeah, that's fine.
It's mommy and me. Cheers, mommy and me.
Thank you.
Hold on.
Today is July 30th.
Veggies.
July 30th. We leave in 12 days, 13 days, one of those things. A bitch is so fucking ready, y'all. Y'all do not understand. Y'all do not understand, honey. So excited to fucking go. I still need to get Neriah school clothes and school shoes, and I'm honestly thinking about ordering them offline. I just pray that, you know, if I do order them offline, I want them delivered to like our new address. But
don't try to fight it. There ain't nothing that you can do. Relax your mind. Lay back and groove with mine. You gotta feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna rock all night. It's you, someone I wanna rock all night. Gonna rock the night.
next week's vlog, it's probably gonna be like a lot more better because yeah, we have more things to look forward to.
No, mommy.
So yes, a bitch is excited. Okay, and then I still go to Vegas next month. Speaking of that, I need to book my room. Yeah, I got too much shit going on. I'm just gonna book my stay, and honestly, I'm gonna forget. So today is July 30th.
Veggies.
July 30th. We leave in 12 days, 13 days, one of those things. A bitch is so fucking ready, y'all. Y'all do not understand. Y'all do not understand, honey. So excited to fucking go. I still need to get Neriah school clothes and school shoes, and I'm honestly thinking about ordering them offline. I just pray that, you know, if I do order them online, I want them delivered to like our new address.
No one line.
But
You gotta make one line.
that's kind of the vibes. Next week's vlog, it's probably gonna be like a lot more better because
No,
yeah, we have
to the
more
back.
things to look
Further
forward
down.
to.
No, mom, you
So
don't wanna do
yes,
it.
a bitch is excited. Okay, and then I still go to Vegas next month. Speaking of that, I need to book my room. Yeah, I got too much shit going on. I'm just gonna book my stay, and honestly, I'm gonna fuck it.
I'm on this
Daddy got 2.
I can't wait to get my hair and nails done.
This is good. Daddy.
Hey vlog, what's good? What is poppin'? Excuse the like school surprise in the back. It's the next day. Last time y'all seen me, I was at Duffy's yesterday. Girl, that food was not good. I hate that my phone died yesterday because I would have told y'all like that food was not good. That Duffy's, I'm not gonna say Duffy's is a bad restaurant. I'm just gonna say that restaurant was just not up to par. Like that particular Duffy's was just not up to par. Like it was a hot mess. Either they were either short staffed or I don't know. It just wasn't up to par. So we are heading to Dunkin', boom, or somewhere. We probably gonna go Dunkin' on this. And then we're gonna go out today. I wanna go to this stockpile stop to see if I can buy something off this lady's stockpile.
Close your eyes, let that rhythm get into you.
can't vlog. I look a hot ass fucking mess. We just got through moving some stuff out of the house, but I am going to end the vlog here, you guys. The Neriah dentist appointment went amazing. Okay, I wasn't able to go back there. I should have vlogged. I don't know why I didn't vlog earlier when I was just sitting in the car doing that thing, but yeah, her dentist appointment went well. She was back there all by herself. She did have to get one crown, one of the little silver caps, and just a small fill-in on one tooth. So that went good. I'm gonna most likely start this vlog when we go see her teacher, which is like in like 2 days. So yes, I cannot wait to move, because when I move I'm gonna be vlogging more, because I can vlog more in the house. Like where I live at now, bitch, I can't vlog in that house. That house is raggedy as fuck, and I just know. So that's why when I move, I can vlog more, I can put more content out, because I'm like, you know, gonna be in a better area. So hella excited. But nonetheless, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see y'all later. I'll fuck with y'all later, and as always, talk to you later.